Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Catherine Piliora. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This video will be recorded and purposely done for educational purposes, particularly for my General Biology 2 class for my grade 12 STEM 1 and 2 for the school year 2020-2021. Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to Catherine Piliora. So this video is recorded purposely for educational purposes for my grade 12 STEM students for the school year 2020-2021. So I would like to give you the course description here on my tablet for your General Biology 2. The subject description states that this subject is designed to enhance the understanding of the principles and concepts in the study of biology, particularly heredity and variation, and the diversity of living organisms, their structure, function, and evolution. For your content, these are the following. For the third quarter, we have the organismal biology and genetics. For your fourth quarter, we have evolution and origin of biodiversity, and systematics based on evolutionary relationships. So for the content standard of your third quarter, we will be discussing on the plant and animal organ systems and their functions and feedback mechanisms. So we have the following equipment that we will be using for this one. It's all about organ systems for both plant and animals, and we will be needing the human body torso for this one. Okay, so for your genetics topic, we have Mendel's laws of inheritance, sex linkage, central dogma of molecular biology, and recombinant DNA. So these topics are more interesting because it talks about genetics. For your fourth quarter, we have evolution and origin of biodiversity. These topics discuss about relevance, mechanisms, evidence, basis, and theories of evolution. For your systematics based on evolutionary relationship, the topic will be about basic taxonomic concepts and principles, description, nomenclature, identification, and classification. So that will be, guys, for your topic on the second semester that covers your third and fourth quarter. Okay. So I required my students, all of you guys, to subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be updated of the things that I'll be discussing. And I required you to submit with you your curriculum vitae or your biodata. And so here we are. I required you to submit in a 1/2 index card the things that I would like to know from you. Basically, the profile that I would like to know, since we are having the pandemic right now, the COVID-19, and all the type of delivery system of our education changed, and so we have to adapt. And as a part of your requirement, I required you to answer the following data. So of course, your personal data and the like, your parents' name, cell phone number, for me to locate you and to text you or to message you wherever you are, and for your scholastic achievements, for your course in the future, impression of your class in biology, reflection of what is happening in the time of COVID-19, and your dreams and ambitions. You know what, guys? I required you this one because I would like to know the details from you, because we don't have a face-to-face class interaction. It's a different one. If you have this type of interaction while the teacher is in front of you, aside from having this one and the digital platform that I'll be using, in this case I'm using the YouTube channel for you to be updated. But as I have noticed, I required you to submit this last week. From the boys, from the grade 12 STEM 2, the boys are 20 and the girls are 31, for a total of 51. But only I would like to update you guys that only 12 out of 31 for the girls submitted, only 39%. I already calculated that. For the male for the boys, 7 out of 20 for a total of 35%. So 39% from the girls and 35% from the boys. So I would like to inform you that you have to submit this one for the next week of releasing of module and submission of module as well, because I would like to really know you more on this time of pandemic, especially that I would like to know your perception and the reflection that you have right now for this pandemic, for this COVID-19, for this new learning delivery modality, this type of learning that we have for this health crisis that we are facing. And particularly I care about you guys, and I want to let you know that I care about your education. I've been in the teaching for quite a long time already, so I have to require you this one, huh? Okay. So for those who were not able to submit, please submit that one next week to you, to your advisor, or you can submit that to me directly. Okay. The reason why I ask you to submit or to write your scholastic achievement, because me myself been through a lot of trials way back when I was in elementary up to I graduated my Doctor of Philosophy. So I would like you to look at me as your model, as your inspiration in the time that I was studying, up to the time I became a teacher, up to this time that it's now in the pandemic. It's not easy to be in the scholastic part or arena or avenue, because your dreams and ambitions shape you for you want to become in the future, for who you want to become in the future. Okay, so guys, take note. Only 19, probably I was not able to get some of your curriculum vitae from the school, so let me know. Comment down below or message me if I wasn't able to get your biodata. Okay guys, so let me randomly pick some of your answers in any particular order from the boys or the girls of the things that I would like to read here. So curriculum vitae. So some of your handwriting, please take note guys that your handwriting should be legible, because usually I read some of your answers in the night and I have to use my eyeglasses. Okay, so let me read some of the answers in your biodata. Wow, scholastic achievements. So let me read the scholastic achievements and the reflections. Kinder valedictorian, elementary valedictorian, grade 7 first honors, grade 8 with high honors, grade 9 with high honors, grade 10 with highest honors, grade 11 with highest honors, rank 1, outstanding performance in leadership, outstanding performance in science, outstanding performance in communication arts, consistent conduct awardee since grade 7. Course in the future, either of the 3 will do. I will be pursuing my passion to be a doctor. Oh, so take note guys. My course when I was in college was Bachelor of Science in Biological Science, and that's a preparatory course for medicine. I wasn't able to finish my degree in medicine. Instead, I pursued my Doctor of Philosophy. So I graduated my Bachelor of Science in Biological Science way back 1999, and I graduated my diploma in teaching 2003, graduated my Master of Arts in Education, major in Biological Science in 2010, and graduated my Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Leadership at University of St. Lucia, Bacolod City in 2017. So without any further ado, I would like to read on your scholastic achievement as well, because I believe that STEM students are, you are academically inclined and you want to excel, and I want to know also your different degrees in the future. Looking forward for that. So Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Medical Technology, major Bachelor of Science, major in Biology. Impression of your class in Biology too. Biology gives you a brain. Life turns it into a mind, according to Jeffrey. Okay, okay, so that's an adage. In general, I am actually drawn into and interested in studying all about life. It turns out that it will be a great learning experience to study general biology, which will allow me to study life in all forms: animal, plants, bacteria, and fungi. This includes in-depth research on different organisms, their communities, and their systems, cells, and processes that permits life. I realize that it also helps me learn how to conduct research. Okay, so take note, guys. I was teaching biology for the last 16 years, way back 2004 when I was teaching in private school. So 9 years ago, for the last 9 years of my career as an assistant professor in the college, I've been teaching this one in nursing students and other courses. Okay, so your reflection of what is happening in the time of COVID-19, it seems as though we may not be able to go back to the pre-COVID-19 normal, but we should certainly be able to move into the new normal, informed by what we have learned and experienced. Adapting to the future may not be easy, but if we are receptive, it may not be too hard. Wearing masks, a part of our wardrobe, is perhaps a positive step towards welcoming the new normal, accepting it, and weaving into our lives. Okay, so take note that we will be having our distribution of module and retrieval of module. We have to wear mask, and we have to follow protocols of the COVID-19. So dreams and ambitions in life. I have seen so many doctors, they save other people's lives, and I feel happy. I want to become a doctor. I want to serve good for my society and help those in need. So how do you see yourself 10 years from now? 10 years from now, I see myself as a strong, independent, healthy, and most important of all, happy woman. And I am aware that the only person that can get me there is myself, by putting all the passion, effort, and determination. So here you go, guys. Very positive outlook in life. Okay, so let me read some. And guys, I cannot read all of this, but randomly I have picked some of the most interesting answers, and I have to it's 12 minutes already. Okay, reflection of what is happening in the COVID-19. COVID-19 may be difficult, but let us try to find the silver lining in these challenging times. This may be far from over, but I have heard that the vaccine is on its way. It's already there. The vaccine is already there. And for the meantime, let us comply with the protocols and stay healthy as we are all waiting for the vaccine, so that we can go back and live the life that we used to. Dreams and ambitions. As a student who has a lot of dreams and ambitions in life, I honestly want to live my life to the fullest, grab all of the opportunities that may come into my life, graduate and get a degree of my desired course, and get a decent job in order to supply our daily needs. So as of this time, guys, the basic needs are the most essential one that we need right now. So you need to graduate so that you will have a decent job. Okay, so next one, impression of your bio class. My first impression of the class is unique. I am very interested to see how different setup will work throughout the semester. I am excited of the upcoming lessons. All in, I think this class will be very interesting, changed, and I am excited to see how the rest of the semester goes. Okay, my reflection is to be always grateful, because in these times, many people suffering financial, mental, and physical problems. My reflection is that I should be grateful because I am blessed to have a family that supports me. I should be grateful that I am mentally and physically healthy. So therefore, I conclude that we should be grateful in everything that we have, because not all people have those things that we have. Okay, that's correct. So we have to be mentally prepared, and we have to be physically fit, and to be emotionally ready. My dream is to be successful nurse and to travel the world. Okay, you know that guy. Okay, so I see myself 10 years from now still learning and exploring things that I love, and also I see myself happy, contented, and successful person. Okay, so for those students who I read this personal bio data, you know them because you're the one who made or answered this one. I am happy to be part of this biology class, and I'm looking forward to learn new thing about biology with the help of Ampiliora. Thank you. So during this COVID-19 outbreak, I realized that we should take care of ourselves, give time to our family, and most especially to our Heavenly Father who created us. My dream is to be a successful agricultural engineer. I see myself as a successful engineer and the owner of farm. Oh wow. So I hope that you can have your farm sooner. I see myself as a successful engineer and traveling the world with my family without worrying the expenses. Okay, so if you will land into a better job, of course, you will have a better life and financial stability. So if I'm going to read all of these guys, so all of these are girls, not girls. And I would like to request as well that we have to put your picture here. So some of you were not able to write or put the photos or the picture, so please do. Okay, next. My reflection this time is not to be afraid, whatever they may come in my way. My dream in the future is to have a business and to help my family get all what they want. Okay, what they want. Not to be boastful, but I see myself 10 years from now to be successful and happy. Okay, so thank you for that. Boys, very precise and very concise, unlike the girls. If we're going the girls, if they are answering, it's very long. Okay, see that? Very long. Okay, BS architecture. Impression for biology, impressive. Very concise and precise. Reflection, it is very hard. It seems like everything is limited. Like you cannot go outside immediately if you want. I want to fulfill my dream, just like travel around the world and explore hidden places. How do you see yourself 10 years from now? I see myself doing the things that I want and maybe busy in doing some work. You know what, guys? When I was reading your bio data, it seems that some of you are not yet, shall we say, doesn't have that perspective yet of what you're going to get or what they want in the future for their course. But some were not able to target already their course. So for the future plans, no? So I would like to suggest to you guys that at least somehow you have already your plans in the future, because you're already grade 12, and I know that some of you have already took the examinations for the entrance exam, the OST scholarship. In my case, I graduated from West Visayas State University in Iloilo City way back 1995 to 1999. My Bachelor of Science in Biological Science, and it's preparatory course for medicine. And I would like you to have that target already for your future plans, so that when we go back 10 years from now, if you want to read or want to watch this video again, at least you have already the glimpse of what you would like to be in the future. Okay guys, so I have already read some of the profile of your curriculum vitae or your biodata, and I will be having the part 2 of this because it's already long. This video is already long for you to watch, and I'll be reading some of the curriculum vitae, only very brief. I'm going to summarize some of your reflections so that I could read everything and have a thorough review of your reflections and what you would like to be in the future, so that I could relate and I could have a brief description of what biology is all about to you, in what life lies ahead of us in this time of pandemic. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have had an overview of what our general biology 2 class will be all about. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be updated. Comment down below, click the notification bell. Every time I upload this video, you will be notified, and you will be updated as well. So I will be recording more videos about our topic so that you will have your thorough understanding, because in the module you have only all the parts without any videos. You have to download the videos, but this time I will be discussing to you the topics one by one, per content, per objective, so that you will be updated and you have a deeper understanding, and you have a clearer and thorough knowledge on our general biology class. So I hope you are now enlightened and you have now grasped and you are now interested to study on general biology 2 for this school year 2020-21. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a nice day, and I am recording this now at almost 12 o'clock in the evening. So I hope that you will cooperate, you will participate, and you will be educated on this topic. And thank you guys for watching. Please enjoy the rest of our general biology 2 class for this school year 2020-2021 and this time of COVID-19. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. God bless everyone.